Whew. Ice storm last night. The laneway is ice. You can curl on this thing quite nicely, I would think. Anyways, we're gonna go see what's going on in the shop. Let's go. Whew. So, since we knew there was gonna be an ice storm last night, we got the generator hooked on the 7630, and we find out that's not supposed to be in the tire. So, I'm thinking we picked that up when we were chisel plowing the last field. And, well, it's flat now. But it must have been just, it's not in there big time because it's just a slow leak. And we got the 806 in again. Obviously when we redid the head, we had the injectors out, got them sent away, and we were trying to save $1. We never sent the pump away. So we believe this thing is starting hard because we never sent the pump away and we think it's weak. So we now sent the injectors and the pump away to get them married together. That's gonna take about 2 weeks to get back. So we're gonna take this tire off and get it in and get it fixed.
Somebody was thinking.
Yes.
Some engineer somewhere. It's just that easy. Paint's were stuck.
There's a bottle. I think so.
You read one of these right?
Okay, that space is right with the tire, right? It's all one. There you go, come up from the inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
I could put a little crowbar in that hole and just give it a little push.
Oh, yeah.
Did it move at all?
Yeah. It's when did we have when we put these on?
Put that jack, that little jack in between here, just put a board on the inside jack.
Yep.
Little.
I just want to make sure it's falling on its head. More on that side too. You got a piece of clay?
Yes, there's a big one here. Guacamole.
Jeez.
Must be rusted and all along.
Well, we just haven't had these off ever since we put them on.
What if we give it a whack with the rest?
Yeah.
some more.
You need something just a little bit shorter than that, but longer than this, eh? What do we got in the whole type bar set?
Is it possible we're actually on the ground still?
Still moving.
Yeah, it is.
Well, put the marinade in the like hit it with a sledgehammer, the rubber.
Try what, just jack off? Put marinade?
I would say yes.
Here's an actual sledge. Alright, so we just pulled it heading out of the shop. We're just trying to pry in that hole. Now we are in the little shop only because when hooked to the generator, that door is the easiest to get open. The hydro goes out. So all else fails, we're going to the big shop to work on this. Well, we're almost as tight in here as we were at the little shop with all the stuff in here, but looks like I think we got it kind of broke loose from cranking the wheels. Let's go ahead a little more and get that hole, I think right here. There we go. Just need a little more space. We'll go get that fixed. Yeah, that is definitely the oddest thing I've ever seen in a tire so far. You can see it bubbling. Oh yeah. All we need now is some mufflers. And she's gonna be back in action. Okay, well that's all I got for everybody for today. We'll carry on this video on Monday when I start taking that tire to get fixed and we'll get it back on. But I got a tractor pull meeting tonight. Tractor pull is gonna be July 21st. You know, it's not coming right up, but it's coming up and it takes a lot of preparation to make this happen. So I'm gonna do that pull meeting, but yeah, we'll see you on Monday. Oh, the duel is back. Let's put her on. Just get your snaps thing. So yes, this tractor is snap duals. Why snap duals? I guess because I'm sure people will comment, why don't you take bolt-on ones? Well, when we first got the duals on this, our tire guy suggested snap-ons because the 7000 series don't have a heavier axle as the 8s. So you can take the front plantaries out of it. I don't want to do that, so snaps it is. Whew. There we have it. Oh, you look so much better with tools on. Whew. This goes in the cab. Okay, well, that's all I got for you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe. Peace, have a good one.